Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then jump straight into the earliest actions. First, make sure firmware and OS are up to date to avoid known connectivity bugs. Once done, enable secure paths like VPN and TLS to protect metadata while measuring. Next, segment traffic with VLAN so data flows are isolated and measurable. Finally, collect baseline metrics, latency, packet loss, throughput in Mbps, so you can quantify improvements and spot regressions as you proceed. You now optimize the middle of the process by reshaping how data moves. Start with intelligent routing, use BGP communities or SDWAN policies to steer traffic away from congested links, because better paths reduce latency and jitter. Next, prioritize critical flows with CoS. Set DSCP markings and egress shaping so essential packets win under load. Also compress and encode payloads using gzip or binary formats like protobuf to lower bandwidth consumption, you finish by validating changes and preparing fixes if things go wrong. Run synthetic tests and a /b real traffic so you can compare before and after metrics. This shows true user impact. Once validated, automate rollbacks and set alerts for performance regression greater than 5% so remediations are fast. If you encounter issues, check MTU mismatches and path MTU discovery settings first. They commonly break throughput and cause fragmentation. Make sure to document changes and schedule follow-up measurements to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.